keep it all in one pan, less dishes, very easy to do on a weeknight. This is going to be my Pan-sagna. Because you know what we're making.
Lasagna in a pan?
You're so smart. I'm not even gonna ask him to spell it.
Again, no he won't.
So in the pot right here, or the pan right here, what I've already done is I've got some green bell pepper and some onions sauteed with a little bit of olive oil. I added in some spicy Italian sausage, 2 links of it that I just kind of crumbled in there, browned it up, added in a little bit of Italian seasoning, also added in some 80-20 chuck. Now that's beef from the shoulder, 80 meat, 20% fat, very flavorful, all right?
Love it.
So that's all in here. Can you do me a favor?
Yes.
Because this is Pan-sagna, we're gonna be using a store-bought shortcut of no boil lasagna sheets. So what I like to do is break them down into big shards.
Okay.
So just manhand those into the bowl for me.
Oh, man.
Yeah, exactly. What I really love about these is you truly don't have to boil them before you put them into the oven in one's lasagna. But I gotta tell you, to be honest with you, I very seldom actually even put them in the oven. I love the one-pan plan.
That's great.
So right here, I've got 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. That goes right in.
Honey, it's smelling so
Thank you.
good.
It's so simple. I can get home and get this done really fast. Plus, because these are no boiled pasta noodles, this is done just like egg noodles. And that's another tip. If you can't find the no boil pasta, just get egg noodles, and this is done in like 6 minutes.
I love it.
All right, so this is in here.
There's no boiled noodles is that you need enough liquid in there, right? For them to
Exactly.
absorb. That's the only issue.
That's what I'm adding right now. So in addition to the crushed tomatoes, I'm adding in what I like to say is about 1 to 2 cups of beef stock. And why I say that is I love for it to kind of go almost an inch over what I'm trying to cover here, which would be the beef and the Italian sausage. So full 2 cups. It really just depends on the size of your pan. All right, and then this is going in.
Shards.
Jeff, can you please get all the lemon zest off of that? Okay, and then I've got some ricotta cheese that goes inside lasagna. We're not gonna put it in the pan, it's gonna kind of garnish it at the end. You can get the ricotta from the fridge.
Brilliant. You know, I like this because lasagna usually takes 2 days to make a proper lasagna. And who even thinks that far in advance?
Let me show you what happens over here. Now, all you have to do is get a lot of lemon zest. And I like how it kind of picks up the note of the ricotta cheese and just put some ricotta cheese in there and stir it up.
So no lemon juice in there, just the
No
zest.
lemon juice, yeah, because I don't want to loosen it. I want it to be nice and tight so it'll melt over everything. You guys want to see what it looks like?
Oh, please.
Are you kidding?
Oh, please. Oh.
Right.
How long does that take?
This takes about just 6 minutes until the pasta is done, you know? Obviously, you want to get all of the meat browned and finished, but when you put the pasta in and cover it up, all of that steam and the liquid is really just going to help it come together within about 6 to 8 minutes.
So you garnish them individually with the cheese?
Yes.
Okay.
A nice big dollop
Oh
over
my
the
gosh.
top.
Oh, what a great weeknight dinner.
I think I would rather eat this version more than the pan lasagna.
Almost.
Plus, it's a lot easier to serve,
And
too.
what I love about it is truly you can just kind of make this up the next day. It's a really fast reheat. So some basil and some parsley.
Lovely. I season this up, a little salt and pepper. Is that cool?
Perfect.
And the lemon
I
zest.
expect that of you out of my sous chef. Give me a little dollop right here. A little
Very
bit of
nice.
shredded cheddar mozzarella blend.
Nice.
A little dollop.
Oh, a canal.
Hey!